everyone, I mean, everyone is like, yo, what do you have done to the C250? What do you have done to your Benz? Mind you, I've posted countless videos on my TikTok and Instagram. This video is going to be my full mod list on my Benz. The cost will actually surprise you guys in the end. Like I said, a lot of people just asked me for it, and I'm just ready to just drop the full list. No, the build isn't done yet. Yo, I feel like you're overspending. Yo, you could have got a C63. First up on the list, an Alibaba light kit. Yes, LED strip light. Like, it wasn't a kit made specifically for my car. It was universal. Currently, it is not working because I have an electrical issue. I'll try to put pictures up here, videos somewhere. That cost me about 30 to 40 bucks. It took me about 9 hours to complete the job. If you guys want the tutorial, I will do it for you guys. Just let me know. Everything that I'm talking about here, I get no commission from, but just for you guys, I'm gonna provide the link to everything down below. We got the eBay black grill. And also, I got this from eBay. It's like an LED attachment. I routed it to my daytime lights just so that Mercedes Star can be illuminated 24/7. You guys see how low my car is. This is not on stock ride height. This mod, I kind of did regret. I needed the car to be lower and my shocks were already failing. I got a set of eBay Coil Overs. They ride okay, but the sway bar links are garbage. With those Coil Overs, this is what my rear looks like. No, I cannot put my finger back here. Running 15mm spacers all around. So I got the spacers off eBay. I got a downpipe from Alibaba. The downpipe, A1 quality. I have no complaints. It gave me the performance I wanted. Wheels were great also. See, my car is dark as shit. Right now, I'm running 5% on the sides and on the rear. Then on the windshield, I am running 20%. If you do not have great vision, please do not run this tent setup. Sometimes I could be driving at night and I legit cannot see shit. I make it work. Like I said, my headlights are pretty bright. They're shitty, but they're pretty bright. If you're from Florida, you know that tent shop in Broward. It was 200 bucks to remove them and put them on. I tipped the guys 50 bucks, so 250 all in all for everything. C250s originally come single exit on the left side. I got a full straight pipe. I cut everything off. This is a regular black rear diffuser. I got this one off eBay. It wasn't expensive at all. I got the quad tips also on eBay. Those take like a long time to ship. If you guys are wondering how my exhaust guy did it, he custom made a bracket on this side. People ask me this a lot. Both of the tips work. I have no fake quad tips on my car. I got a full paint job. My father does own a shop. I did not pay nothing. They did a great job. I did do a chrome delete, and I deleted the chrome on the side. I believe I got it on Amazon. Made a video about it. Got the rims painted black. I kind of do regret it sometimes. eBay front lip. I got these black side markers. I also got that from eBay. eBay is watching this video. Can you guys sponsor me? Legit, all of my parts come from you guys. I know you heard that turbo. That is a Go Fast Bits Diverter valve. No, it does not hurt your turbo. I do have a video posted about this blow-off valve. Yes, it is cold. I'm from Florida. I'm not from Ohio, so I'm freezing my fucking ass off. But the content's got to come out. If you guys watch the video to the end, I want to say thank you. This is not easy for me to come out here in this cold temperature. Now I feel sick after making this video. Leave a like. Leave a comment. If you guys, have content ideas, drop it in the comments below.